Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft SQL Server, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Microsoft SQL Server download page. Select the version of SQL Server that suits your needs. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to launch the SQL Server Installation Center. Choose the new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to an existing installation option. Follow the prompts to accept the license terms when prompted. The installation will then run a Setup Support Rules check. Review any warnings or errors before proceeding. Click Next to continue once the checks pass. Select the SQL Server edition you want to install, then click Next. Choose your installation type. For a new installation, select New SQL Server Standalone Installation. On the feature selection screen, choose the components you want to install. Select Database Engine Services for core server features. You can also select additional components like SQL Server Management Studio if needed. Click Next to proceed once you've made your selections. Define the instance configuration. You can opt for the default instance or a named instance. Click Next to proceed to the server configuration. Set the SQL Server Services account. Ensure that the SQL Server Database Engine is set to start automatically. Click Next to continue. Proceed to the Database Engine configuration. Choose your authentication mode. You can select Windows Authentication or Mixed Mode. If you choose Mixed Mode, set a password for the SQL Server System Administrator account. Add any additional SQL Server administrators you want. Click Next to continue. Review the installation summary before starting the installation process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.